to my food channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my super easy quick pancake recipe. Pancake, crumpets, it's pretty much the same thing. They're both round and have bubbles in them, so yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and I hope everyone is safe at home. So let's get started on the ingredients.
Flour, sugar, salt, milk, oil, baking powder and egg. So start off by cracking the egg into a bowl. Then add in the oil and the milk. Whisk this well. Now add in the 1 cup flour. I have a 1/4 cup scoop in my flour pot, so that's why I put 4 of these, which is 1 cup. And then add in the 1 tablespoon sugar, the baking powder and the salt, and whisk this very well until it is combined and well and smooth. You'll see it is a bit thick in the beginning, but the more you mix, the more runnier it becomes. Now set it aside for about 5 minutes until you've prepared your pan and waited for it to heat up on about low to medium heat. I put in 2 scoops, that's what my pan could fit. And once you see the bubbles appearing and when it starts popping, then you know it is ready to be turned over. Place them on a plate and repeat the process until all the mixture is done. And again you see the bubbles popping, and they are ready to be turned over. See how golden and how it fluffed up there. So once all the mixture is done, place them on your serving dish and then dish up, and you can add anything you want. I put maple syrup and strawberries. Enjoy, guys.
Okay, so there is my super quick easy pancake recipe. In South Africa we grew up knowing the pancake, which is the crepe, the thin one, because in Afrikaans a crepe is a pannenkoek, so we grew up thinking that pancake was the thin ones, but in actual fact the pancakes are the round thick ones, like the ones I have done here. So you guys can serve this with anything really, with bacon and syrup or strawberries and cream or Nutella, or just, it's endless. Again, if you're having, or when you will be having a brunch. You can make them a little bit smaller. I make them smaller and do bite-sized little pancakes, so that's also a good idea. This recipe made about 10 pancakes. I used, just to show you quick, there's two sizes. See there, I used this one, which is a little bit smaller, but again, you can make them whatever size you want. So I hope you guys enjoy making this recipe, and actually if you do make my stuff, please take photos, send them to me on Instagram. I will link it down below, or Facebook. So please everyone, be safe at home, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Bye!